Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at this chicken shredder. So first let's take it out really quickly and see what's in it. There's an instruction sheet and also the shredder with some packing material. And it looks almost ready to go. Let's see how it does with a full chicken breast. I've never used this before. Let's see, we'll smush it down in there. That seems about right to me. Put this on top. You can see it better. And let's go and see what it does. Well, that's pretty good. I do have some chunks right here that don't seem very shredded. Let's put them off maybe to the side and see if it works better there. Oh, there we go. Woo! Well, that is some pretty good shredded chicken for sure. In my expert homemaker opinion, it did a really good job shredding. I hate the 2-fork method, so if you're looking for something simple and easy to get your chicken shredded, highly recommend this.